Let's draw a super cute brick house together. Come give it a try. Let's start from the top. Draw a chimney first, then a pointy roof, and finally a square for the walls, like a little box. Now we have the shape of our house. Let's start coloring. Begin with the chimney using a warm orange-brown. Then, color the roof tiles deep brown, one square at a time. Paint the walls with an orange-red brick color to make the house feel cozy. For the door, use a rich dark brown and add a bright orange doorknob. And of course, feel free to use your own favorite colors too. Amazing! You've finished a magical little brick house. Imagine what it would feel like to live in it. Even the simplest shapes can build a magical world.